Also in California today, a state of emergency was declared over a massive natural gas leak near Los Angeles.
Well, a runaway natural gas leak from a storage facility in Los Angeles, it's become a significant ecological nightmare. This is coming from state officials. They say that more than 150 million pounds of methane pouring into the atmosphere so far. There's no immediate end in sight, by the way.
A slow-motion environmental disaster in California where a torrent of methane gas is spewing into the air. Thousands have been relocated.
We turn now to what's being called the nation's biggest environmental disaster since the 2010 BP oil spill. A runaway natural gas leak above Los Angeles has emitted more than 150 million pounds of methane since late October.
New footage released by the Environmental Defense Fund offers the first bird's-eye infrared view of the natural gas leak at the Aliso Canyon storage facility owned by Southern California Gas Company. The leak, which has been going on since October, is invisible to the naked eye. It's disrupting life in nearby parts of Los Angeles and the San Fernando Valley, and pumping 62 million cubic feet of methane into the atmosphere each day. That's bad news for the climate. Methane, the main ingredient in natural gas, has over 80 times the warming power of carbon dioxide over a 20-year time frame. EDF estimates the daily near-term climate damage caused by the Aliso Canyon leak is equal to the emissions of 7 million cars. The video was filmed by a specialist using an infrared camera called a FLIR. Leaks this size are rare, but major leakage across the oil and gas supply chain is not, and it adds up to a big climate problem, not just in California, but across the country. That's why EDF and others believe oil and gas companies should be required to regularly monitor their systems and curb methane leaks. The footage underlines the severity of the methane leakage problem in the oil and gas industries and the risk it poses both to communities and the climate.